Guys, so today we're going to do my Mafia medus-jah bike check, and let's get straight into the bike check. Snakeskin tyres, you'll get them with the Mafia medus-jah. My wheels are colourful, that's why I've put red and green spoke skins on it. I'm trying to get yellow so it looks better. And yeah, so these are my red ODI grips. They're only a bit black because I wear gloves. As you can see, I hurt my finger. And then you get these stickers with the bike, like you get them in a package, and you just get them for some reason. And I don't know why, but I put this SE Bikes pad on it because it matches with the sticker, the grips. And the reason it's not the reason I done it red and yellow, but as you can see, it's red and green there. These are my other snakeskin tyres. These go with the bike. They're the same colour as the rims once again. And I'm trying to get DMR pedals. I might get one green and one red. That'll look quite cool. No, I don't know. Oh yeah, and that is quite sick because it looks like that lollipop thing. This is my medus-jah sticker. You always get this, I think, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh look, colourful chain. Colourful chain, that's nice.
Sprocket.
Sprocket, whatever. It's a nice bike, basically. Oh yeah, and the other day, I went over some glass, so...
Go.
So this is my 2019 medus-jah, and I hope you enjoyed that video.
Look at that fresh in
No, you gotta go watch that on little L14, my mate.